Hello, my name is Jason Littrell from Kinetic Marketing Systems, and I wanted to walk you through our restaurant systems. Now, what we see all the time is bar and restaurant owners, managers, GMs. So they have a really difficult time with their marketing, and it is one of the biggest reasons why bars go out of business is because the awareness is low. And so we wanted to fix it. We fix that by developing a bunch of tailored automations that are done for you, so that you don't have to necessarily be an expert in marketing or automation to be able to use the system. So the first part that I wanted to show you is this universal inbox. So if you've ever found yourself digging through different apps and having to get through different Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business, email, text message, that's 5 different apps right there. And so what we do is we consolidate all those different apps into the same place, so that all your conversations are happening in the same place. So these are Instagram DMs, these are emails, and it's all just right there in the same place. And also we can trigger automations based on what people say, which leads to much more interesting retention opportunities. So all your contacts are right here. We capture leads in a number of different ways. A lot of it is we do a chat widget on your website. We have calls to action with the social media scheduler, and we listen from many different angles to see that we are capturing and listening to leads in at any given time. So payments, this is where you integrate your Stripe, and you can also put in products, and you can track transactions and subscriptions, coupons, that kind of stuff. And this is how you can get people to pay you for things like events. So marketing, this is the part that we love the most. So here's your social media planner, and this is how you schedule posts in advance so that you're not spending so much time in different apps and doing different things. And here's your email campaign builder. We load you up with some templates on some specifically. So here's like a formatted email that you would find in like MailChimp. It's dead simple to use. It's drag and drop, and you just play with it for a couple of minutes, and you learn how to do it. It's pretty fast. We also have lots of templates. So in case you're answering the same questions 5 times, like when I was a marketing director for a restaurant group, it was always like, what are the directions? I forgot something. I have allergies. So what you can do is you can create pre-formatted, pre-set up text messages and emails to answer those questions, so that the system's automatically always bouncing things back to your clients. Also, something that's really special is we just launched this. This is an affiliate manager. And so what you can do is you can create an affiliate campaign to pay people to refer people to the restaurant. So automation, this is where all the magic happens. This is the bulk of the value of the system. These are hundreds of automations that I've built over the years. And they all talk to each other, and they just make sure that we are constantly following up and leading and following back with customers, which we call leads. And it's all very civilized. So if you need a new website, great. We have an onboard system that allows us to create new websites, and we have thousands of funnels. So let's check this out. So let's say that we are looking for something for a restaurant, like we need a landing page or we need some sort of an offer. Let's go here and search restaurant. So within a couple minutes, you can have a website up after we've connected your domain. So here is a done for you template for a website that can be done in just a few minutes. And again, a lot of this stuff is already done for you. So it really does not take very long to do this. So that's a feature that comes with all plans. Let's see here, reputation management. So if you've ever talked to anybody, then a big part of the decision-making process for a bar or restaurant is the reputation that you have. So they look on Google Maps, they look on Google Reviews, they look on Yelp. And so what we do is we automatically follow up with almost every single lead, including inbound phone calls. And then so we track how many requests we have sent out. So that's not a big part of my business. I'm not a restaurant. I'm a marketing agency. But then this is where we can reply and follow up with reviews. So if you've got bad reviews, then this is a way to bury them with good reviews. And so we'll take all of your contacts, and that's probably one of the first things that we'll do is we'll email everybody or text message everybody on your list. First of all, saying, hey, can we text you? Second of all, we're going to say, hey, would you mind leaving us a review? And so it's all very automatic. So we like to keep track of this really consistently. So Jason, all right, so let's send Jason a review request. Jason, this is me. I'm Jason. So we're going to send Jason a review request, and in just a few seconds, I'll get that review request. So sure enough, right here, we're going to go to our inbox right here, and we have set up all this copywriting to make sure that it's really simple and straightforward. And we like to track the conversion on this to see what works. So would you recommend kinetic marketing systems to your best friend? And if you say yes, then what happens is it goes directly to a Google page to prompt for a review. Actually, there's a little capture here. That's fine. But then it'll, this is my page that I manage. So it's, but it would normally pop up a little thing here. It says, leave a 5-star review. We actually used to pre-populate it with 5 stars, but we stopped doing that because Google got mad. Anyways, so the review reputation management is a really big part of the decision intervention. We take that very, very seriously. So it's a very, very powerful system. There's so many features and amenities that it would take us years to get you, but the typical onboarding process takes about 10 days, and then we have some very sophisticated systems to keep you entertained, educated, and learning the system. And we'll train everybody on your staff if you want. So it's a really cool system. I think it's a really big opportunity, and I hope to see you soon. Book a call.